Meanwhile, Bermaz Auto Philippines, the exclusive distributors of Mazda vehicles and parts in the country, formally opened its 20th Mazda dealership in the Philippines. Mazda Butuan is located along Kilometer 3 of the National Highway in Baan, Butuan City. It is the third Mazda dealership under the Autohub Group and is managed by MGM Motors Mindanao Incorporated.
We just recently, last month, had an official opening of Mazda Butuan. The region in Mindanao has been growing very fast and expanding for us, that we have to be expanding to serve the customer better. So we opened that. It's a 3S dealership. That means it covers sales, parts and service, full service dealership in Butuan.
According to Bermaz Auto Philippines, Mazda Butuan is equipped with 10 work bays. Bermaz Auto Philippines stressed that Mazda Butuan aims to serve the fast-growing market of Mindanao.
We offer full service in Butuan. That means it's a 3S. Our parts fill rate is very high. That means the customers can get really good service like any other Mazda dealership in nationally. So they become the 20th dealership for Mazda showroom in there. And then we'll continue to expand Mindanao before the end of the year. Hopefully we'll also see the opening of General Santos. We're happy to invite and welcome all customers to come into the Mazda showroom, whether it's the new one in Butuan or the ones that's already established. Our showrooms are all new standards across the nation, 20th of them, and we'll keep expanding that. So please come and do test drive.